Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create blogger in Google. What is a blogger? A blogger is an online journal or informational website. Purpose of blog. There are many reasons to start a blog for personal use and only handful of strong ones for business blogging. Website with blogger. Website is a static updating blogger daily posting informations. Use of blog. Selling ad space on your blog privately or via Google AdSense. Becoming an affiliate partner privately or through ad networks. Selling your own digital products such as ebook and tutorials. Selling membership for access to exclusive content or advice. Using your blog as a content marketing tool for your business. Let's see how to create your own blog. Go to Google, type blogger. It will direct you to blogger.com. Just hit the button. So this is an official blogger, Google Blogger. Publish your passion your way. Create a unique, beautiful blog. It is easy and free. Choose the perfect design. You can choose your perfect design model and get a free domain. Earn money. Using your blog, you can create the post and you can earn money using Google AdSense. And know your audience. Select the audience, which area you are going to create your blog, whether the kitchen articles or ebooks or daily news or educational related information. You need to choose your audience and make your blog vibrant. So whatever memories you have, you can post as a photographs. Join millions of others. Just hit the button, create your blog. Just sign in with the Gmail account. Yes. So create your new blog. Now I'm going to give the title of my blog as a computer technology. I just created computer technology. Just click next. Create a new blog with the address. For example, www.google.com is a Google address. Similarly, your blog ID need an address. I just type how Martin. Yes, my address is available. This blog address is available. If you have unique ID or unique name, you need to paste in your blog ID. So my address is howmartin.blogspot.com. Just hit the button next. Yeah, blogger profile. I just type Martin post and click finish. My blogger login is ready. So this is a general notification. Just to close the button. Just close the button. Yes. So this is a posting area. Whatever post your details, you need to post it here. And you have left hand side corner, starts, comments, earning, pages, layout, themes, settings, everything is available. Now I'm going to create a new blog. Just hit the button, create post. And you will find the normal blog details of the documents. So this is the general page. You need to create your blog details. For example, I'm going to create computer technology learning. So computer technology learning. I just typed, and if you want to add the image, you can add the image using insert image option. Just hit the button, upload from computer or photos by URL, whatever you can choose. Yourself. Just I type the general information of this post, and I would like to add the image or videos. Whether you can have your videos in the YouTube, you can link with this your post. Just click insert post video and upload from computer or YouTube. Just hit the button YouTube, and yes, just copy the information, copy the link and paste it here and click search. Yes, my video is selected. Just click the button, select, so that you can able to type whatever information you want. You can type and you can format also. Just select computer technology as a normal to heading. Yes, you can choose the color as well, and bold, italic, underline, everything will be available. Just whatever design you want, you can select and make your post as a professional way. Yeah, if I want to give my link to this, just go to my, copy the link and click here, just select and insert edit link, create edit URL. Just click here and place your link and click OK. Yes, your link will be added in hyperlink module. You can add your different kind of symbols also, so that you can able to see. Yes, I have. So now I would like to see the preview of my post. Just click the button preview post. You can able to see the preview. This is a preview option. So computer technology, my topic, and computer technology learning. This post is used to how to self-evaluate yourself. Just you can play and see the video, and you can give the comments option also. Your ads will go here. If you enable your Google ads, automatically your ads will be enabled here. Those who click, you can earn money from that. And you can see the preview by mobile, tab, and a different kind of desktop option also is available. Yes, now I close this preview. Now I would like to add the label name. So I just want to create how to self-evaluate yourself as a label name. Just click the button and add the self-evaluation name. Yes, and published date and location options, everything will be available. You can make. Now choose the title of how to self-evaluate yourself. Yes. So my post is ready. Yes, now I would like to publish my post. Just click publish. This will be published in this post in your blog. Just confirm, automatically your post will be published here. Yes, my taglines is available. I can able to see my blog details. You will find a different kind of themes option is available. Which themes you want, you can choose according to your design. Just hit the button which theme you like, and you can make a customize option also available. Just hit the button customize and choose the background image. If you want to change the background image, you can change your background image. Automatically it will show you. Yes, this is my blog details, and my blog information is also available. If you want to change the colors, you can change the colors as well. You can change advanced settings. You can choose in this layout. Just click apply. Yes, my theme is applied. Go to post and check your post. Click the preview and you can see your post. Your theme is added here, so that you can able to analyze and see. Now I would like to see my post in my live page. Just click how martin.blogspot.com. Just hit the button enter. Yes, my theme and my blog details also available. So latest post, whatever post you can have, you can add it in the blog details. Yes, now I would like to add more posts. Just hit the button create new post in the downside corner and create one more post. So you want to add the label, just add the label, click publish, confirm. Yes, your blog has 2 posts. Now go and check your blog. Your latest post is available. You can click and play your video and see your details.
Good day to everyone.
You can create different kind of posting every day to make your audience visible. Then you can earning different kind of variation in Google AdSense. Using Google AdSense, you can make a money for your blogging posting things. Yes, you can choose your pages, layouts, different kind of layouts also is available. You can choose the layouts. So this is the easiest way you can create your blog and publish your blog and post your information, earn money using online. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.